It's Monday morning. You walk into your job, the same way you've done for the last 8 years. You've got your coffee, your badge is around your neck, and you're mentally preparing for the 10,000 units you have to count and separate today. But when you reach your station, the hum of the factory sounds different. It's higher, cleaner. You stop. In your place, there is no chair. There is no manual scale. There is a sleek, matte black robotic arm with a glowing blue sensor where a human face should be. It's moving at 3 times your speed, counting, sorting, and packaging with a terrifying, silent precision. 2 operators in lab coats are standing there, adjusting a digital interface. They don't even look up as you approach. You realize the machine isn't just doing your job. It's doing it better than you ever could. You go to your supervisor's office, but the door is already open. He hands you a folder and says the words that will haunt your sleep.
The company has transitioned to an AI-integrated workflow. Your position has been deprecated.
You aren't being fired for a mistake. You're being fired for being human. This is the silent liquidation of the working class. Here is the secret the corporate boards pray you never calculate. You weren't replaced by a robot. You were replaced by your own data. Every time you logged into a portal, every time you corrected a digital error, every time you trained a new software system, you were teaching your own executioner. The AI didn't learn how to do your job from a textbook. It learned it by watching you. For the last 5 years, you have been a high-value battery for a machine that was meticulously recording your movements, your logic, and your efficiency. You didn't just lose your job, you handed it over, one keystroke at a time. This is the geometric glitch, where the more productive you are, the faster you become obsolete. Now comes the status collapse. You go home to a house you can no longer afford and a car that is suddenly a liability. You realize that your middle-class life was actually a high-stress subscription to your own survival. You bought the luxury car and the designer watch to prove you were successful, but those were just status debt. Anchors designed to keep you from ever having enough capital to survive the transition.